What's up, YouTube? Cleanup, Green Rhino Academy, all those three. Anyway, today we're gonna do some commercial carpet in this fitness. It's a rehabilitation place, but quite a lot of carpet. And also we're gonna do some VCT. We're gonna go ahead and get this looking pretty for them. And then some linoleum. Yeah, so we're just gonna clean this, give it a little buff, make it look better. So that's the Orbot Vibe. Highly recommended, love it. We're gonna use this as the Viper for the VCT, and love that too. All right, so we're not doing a full strip. I'm using an SPP pad, taking off that top layer of wax and braiding it. And then we're gonna clean it. We're gonna go back over it with the neutral cleaner. And then we're gonna put down the polish.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do.
All right, so now we're just gonna go through there. I'm gonna take off that SPP pad and I'm gonna drop that squeegee down and actually wash it all out.
Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous.
So next we're gonna go ahead and apply some shine on it. All right, so wax, teamwork. All right, so I just went around the outside corners with a flat mop. I'm gonna go ahead and get all this. Probably gonna do 2 or 3 coats on this.
I get rid of the devils, they think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle, there's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10-year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way, man. Y'all win life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it.
All right, for this floor, I'm actually treating it like I would treat tile. So I just pre-sprayed my cleaner down everywhere, carpet details, everywhere, all right? And I'm just gonna go across it with this and rinse everything out and wash it with that. So yeah, just a once over real quick. So now we're just doing a spray buff with the white pad. Just a couple sprays here and there, give it a little bit of shine. So got the fans on here. It's taking a little longer to dry than I hoped, or we just work way too fast. So we're speed drying this and getting another coat on here. But yeah, carpets came out looking great, all except for some worn areas where you got the office chairs that go back and forth like that. You know, that's just normal wear and tear, worn fiber, just like an old shirt. It's like an old cotton shirt that you wore a whole bunch of times. They get worn out, so it's carpet, all right? So kind of, you know, not overcomplicating carpet cleaning, really. You know, people expect their carpets to look brand new forever, and it's just not gonna happen. And just like if you had a shirt for 20 years, right? And you wore it every day, how would that look? You washed it every once in a while, how would that look? Anyway, I like to keep things simple. All right, guys, that's it for this one. It's a wrap. See you in the next one.